Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to teach you how to remove this activate Windows watermark for a short period of time. So guys, recently I've changed my channel name to Cyber Coder and will be focusing on more on tech and coding only on our channel. So guys, if you like this video, smash the like button, and if you dislike the video, please tell the reason why you dislike this video in the comments below. So it would be really helpful for me to improve my video based on that. So guys, and also thank you for 12 subscribers. So now let's get started with today's video, how to remove this activate Windows watermark via Regedit application or registry editor application. So guys, you can only remove this watermark for a short period of time based on how much time you're running your PC. So there is no such way that you could remove this watermark permanently without a product key. So it will appear again and again even if you don't have a product key. If you have a product key only, you can remove this permanently. If you don't have an activated version of Windows, then this would be appearing again. But you can remove this for a short period of time. So today I'm going to teach you how to remove this for a short period of time. So let's get started. For that you should just run application. For that you should type Windows R and type Regedit and click on OK. And then it opens the registry editor over here. In that you should go to computer HKey local machine. In that you should scroll down a bit until you find this folder called svsvc. In that you should right click on the start button and click on modify. So normally for if you're trying this for the first time, your value data will be on 3. So you should backspace it and type number 4 and click on OK. After that you should just restart your system. So now I'm going to restart this. So guys, I restarted my PC and now you can see that this activate Windows watermark is gone completely, but not for permanently. So guys, if you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel so you can never miss out any videos from our channel. So meet you all in my next video. Until then, goodbye.